Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online sport program. This video tutorial is for class 5, week 8 and subject is maths. And I Miss Zainab Saqib delivering the lecture from APS Fort Road, Middle Wing Boys, Rawalpindi. Just start our lecture with hadith. रसूल अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, जो शख्स शब कदर ईमान के साथ महज सवाब आखिरत के लिए ज़िक्र इबादत में गुजारे, इसके तमाम गुज़िश्ता गुनाह बख्श दिए जाते हैं। इसका मफ़हूम ये है कि आप अगर शब कदर आपको मिले और आप शब कदर में ईमान के साथ सिर्फ सवाब की खातिर कि आप लोगों को आखिरत में सवाब मिले इसका, तो आप लोग अपनी वो रात अगर ज़िक्र इबादत में गुजारेंगे तो आपके तमाम पिछले जितने भी आपके गुनाह हैं वो तमाम गुनाह बख्श दिए जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह। Okay students, just take a quick recap of the previous knowledge, that was converting measurement of length. Let's learn. You know about that 1 meter has how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Now I will tell you about the 1.42 meter in centimeters. How you can convert? You will multiply the 1.42 with the multiply by 100, and you know about this multiplication right. Multiplication right means how many zeros in hundreds? 2 zeros in 100. So you will convert the decimal point to the right side. From the it will become 142 centimeter. And next question is kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer has how many meters? Yes, very good. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. And if you want to convert the kilometer value to the meter, you will multiply the kilometer value to the thousands. So 0.4 kilometer multiply by thousands, so it will become 400 meter. How? Because you will move the decimal point to the right side 3 places to the right, so it will become 400. You must remember put the unit at the last. Okay students, now just start our today's topic, converting mass and converting volume. Before starting our lecture, I want to share the objectives of today's lesson. Today's lesson objectives are: you will be able to convert the mass into grams to kilograms and kilograms to grams, and convert the volume into liters to milliliters and milliliters to liters. Okay students, first of all I will explain the concept of converting mass. First of all, I will tell you the definition of mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. Mass is usually measured in grams or kilograms. Okay students, I want to share the pages of converting mass, textbook page number 183 to 184. You can see here the conversion in the meter system. The mass is based on the grams, or its unit is G, stands for G. Okay, and now I will tell you about the tons. What is the biggest unit of the measurement of mass? It's a ton. And if you want to convert the ton into kilogram, you will multiply by thousands, and your topic is based on the kilogram, not on the tons. Okay, if you want to convert the kilograms to grams, you will multiply by thousands, and if you want to convert gram to milligrams, so you will multiply by the thousands. And if you want to convert opposite, vice versa, concept is milligram into grams, you will divide by thousands. Grams to kilograms, you will divide it by thousands, and kilograms to tons, you will again divide it by thousands. Now students, come on the questions. A bunch of grapes weighs 0.5 kilogram. What is the mass of grapes in grams? So you will convert in this question kilogram to grams. You know about this. 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. If you want to convert the kilogram to gram, you will multiply the kilogram value by the thousands. And you know about this multiplication, right? How many decimal places right? 3 decimal places to the right. So 0.5 multiplied by 1000 will become 500 grams. The bunch of grapes weighed 500 grams. So students, come on the next question, page number 184, question number 5, part A, 0.369 kilogram. 1 kilogram, you know about this. 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. So if you want to convert again 1 kilogram value to the grams, so you will multiply by the thousands. And if you want to convert the decimal number to the thousands, you will will move the decimal point to the right side. Multiplication right, how many places to the right? 1000 has 3 zeros too, so you will move the decimal point to the right side 3 places to the right, so it will become 369 grams. So students, come on the page number 184, question number 6. Express 9 kilograms, 653 grams in kilograms. Okay, first value is already in kilograms, so you just convert the second value. It is a 653 grams. Okay, here 9 kilogram and 653 grams. 9 kilogram plus 0.653 kilograms. You will convert the 653 grams into kilograms. If you want to convert grams to kilograms, you will divide the gram value to the thousands. Okay, if you want to division left, you know about this, you will move the decimal point to the left side. How many places to the left? 3 places, because 1000 has 3 zeros. So answer will become 0.653. So simply you will add 9 and 0.653. It will become 9.653 kilogram. So students, come on the work to be done on the loose sheets. Okay, page number 184, question number 8. And here is page number 184, practices. Here conversion questions. You will solve the questions on the loose sheets by yourself. Okay students, come on the another concept of the today's lesson, converting volume. First of all, I will tell you the definition of volume. The volume of an object is a measure of the amount of space occupied by that object. Now students, page number 184 to 185, textbook page number 184 and 185. First of all, I will tell you the conversion process. Milliliter has 1000 if you want to convert milliliter to kiloliters, you will multiply by thousands. If you convert the kiloliters into liters, you will multiply by thousands again. And if you want to convert liters to milliliters, again you will multiply by the thousands. And it's vice versa, as blue arrow shows milliliters to liters, you will divide it by thousands. If you want to convert liters to kiloliters, you will divide it by thousands again. And if you want to convert kiloliters to milliliters, you will divide it by thousands. Now students, come on the page number 184. Okay students, page number 185, question number 1. Open your textbooks, page number 185. Let's learn converting volume. It's a question number 1. A beaker contains 0.1 liter of water. How do we express the volume of water in milliliters? Here basically they are saying you will convert the liter into milliliters. Okay, you know about this. 1 liter has how many milliliters? 1 liter has 1000 milliliters. Okay, so here you can see a beaker of 1 liter water, and second measuring cylinder has 1000 milliliters. Okay, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. If you we can find out by pouring the water from the beaker into the measuring cylinder. Looking at the reading on the measuring cylinder, there is 100 milliliter of water. Okay, we can also multiply to express the volume of water in milliliters. 1 liter has 1000 milliliters and 0.1 liter has 100 milliliter. So I think the concept is clear now. Now students, come on the page number 145, question number 3 and question number 7. Okay students, express one question number 3, express 1.125 liter in milliliters. If you want to convert 1.125 liters into milliliters, you will multiply by liter value to the thousand, because 1 liter has 1000 milliliters. If you want to multiply, you know about the concept where multiplication, right? You will move the decimal point to the right side 3 places to the right, so it will become 1125 milliliter. And next question is express 3 liters 90 milliliters in liters. First value is already in liters, so you will just convert the 90 milliliters. 90 milliliters, if you want to convert 90 milliliters to liters, so you will divide the milliliter value to the thousands. Okay, division left, so you will move the decimal point to the left side. Okay, how many places? 3 places to the left side. It will become 0.09, okay, liters. So simply you will add the last, you will simply add the liter values. 3 liters and 0.09 liters will become 3.09 liters. Okay students, page number 185, question number 2. Here is, you can see, open your textbooks, page number 185. You can see here a numbered line. What are the missing measurements? First value shows the 0. Second value shows the 0.1 liter. 0.1 liter has how many milliliters? 100 milliliters. Now come on the upper side of the number line. 0.2 liter shows the below of the number line has milliliter values. Okay, 0.2 liter has how many milliliters? 200 milliliters. Now tell me about 0.3 liters. How many milliliters? Yes, very good, 300 milliliters. And come on the fourth value, 0.4 liter. How many milliliters? 0.4 liter has 400 liters. Now 0.5 liter has how many milliliters? 500 milliliters. Now come on the next, 0.6 liter has 600 milliliters, and so on. Now last, at the last, 0.9 liter has how many milliliters? 900 milliliters. So come on the last value, 1 liter has how many milliliters? Thousands milliliter. Use a 1 liter beaker and a 1 liter measuring cylinder to help you. You must use it at the home. You must use in the at home, because liters and milliliters are the daily life measurements. Now students, come on the work to be done on the loose sheets, which on page number 186, and it's a practice. Okay, you will solve all the questions by yourself on the loose sheets. Now students, question number 5 and question number 8. Question number 5, they are saying question number 5. Yeah, question number 5, convert, okay, liters to milliliters, and simple. These questions you will solve on the loose sheets. Okay, and question number 8 also. Question number 5 and 8, these questions you will solve on the loose sheets. Okay students, now I will assign you the written work. You can see the written work, practice textbook page number 184, pay question number A to H, and practice textbook page number 186, A to H. Here some links are sharing. You can search the different types of information using these types of links. Okay. Now students, keep these rules in your mind when you are doing your work. During written work, you should follow the following rules. Do all written work on loose sheets. Don't use remover again and again. You have to do all the work with the blue ink pen. Write questions, do all the work with neat handwriting. Mention your name, class, section, date and day at the top of the loose sheet. If you have any question related to the work, you can contact your math teacher. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.